So you all didn't get to catch it, but I just pulled the phone up before I could even hit start. Somebody over here decided to go, hi. It was awkward for her when I got to tell her I hadn't even started it yet.
I'm ready for the camera.
I just lifted it up trying to position before I ever started. But anyway. So, it's bright and early today, if you can't tell from the sun you see shining in. Ding. So, we're already up, and we're already headed to Home Depot. Kind of need some more supplies, and because today is going to be the start of painting. We're going to start working on getting the drawers and cabinets painted because we don't have to have the RV at the house, since we are limited to how much we can have it at the house at one sitting. But we don't need to have it at the house for starting to paint this stuff. We can do all that painting in the garage. So you'll get to see a bunch of that today. So yeah, we start getting to see those colors go onto things. Hopefully. Everything dries fast enough with the primer. Because of how old the RV is, okay, and you know, a lot of it's doesn't have a nice little sealed finish on it anymore or anything like that. So there we go. Sorry, sun was kind of cutting in. I was getting a nice little sun blast there. But anyway, with not knowing how much the cabinets and doors and stuff and the wood is going to actually absorb the paint, we're going to start out, we're just going to primer everything just to be safe. So I don't want to do a whole lot of painting. You know, the paint we got is supposed to be a one coat done type deal, but to be safe, we're still going to primer everything, and then we're going to paint. So I hope the primer is going to dry fast enough for us so we can actually get some color on some things. Otherwise, we're just going to have a whole bunch of white stuff today. But either way, we're going to get started. So let's go shopping.
So that's your door handles.
We got pretty ones.
There's all the hinges.
Oh, and by the way, we cleared out the door handles. So we're either going to have to go to another one or special order. So let's see what's up.
Oh, cabinet upgrades.
Well, I guess we're going to visit another store. Yay!
Of course. Immediately we had to start walking around, looking at all the prices that were here, comparing them to what they were at the other store. And if you all are getting dizzy, we were getting dizzy because we were everywhere, all over the store. We'd even just looked at the handles. And uh-oh, Mama almost decided to get different ones, but luckily she didn't. So then we got to moving on. We ended up finding ourselves eventually over into the wood aisle, where, as you know, that's been a hard thing over the last year. So then we started looking over at the kitchen area, which led over to the bathroom area, where we started looking at sinks, and as you know, we're hunting for those. But it's okay. We looked at a lot of bunch of stuff here, but we didn't pick any of it. We'll have to wait to find out what we picked. In order to do that, make sure you hit those subscribe buttons, ring those bells. From here on Dream on Wheels, Dreamers, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.